Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't abandoned you guys, it's just that my daughter is graduating and I have a lot going on, hence why I haven't posted in almost a week. So now guys, I am priming my brow with my e.l.f. brow and lash mascara. It's a clear product, and I am now filling in my brows using my Benefits Precisely My Brow pencil in the shade 4.5D Neutral Brown. I will link it in the description down below, guys. So that day, guys, I was going to the beach, and when I tell you, around 9 p.m. the rain came down. I was soaking wet and everything including my brows stayed in place. Now I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Caramel and my NYX Professional Makeup brush, number 14 brush, to clean up my brows, you guys. And like I said, this ish lasts all day even though it rained, you know what I mean? So I was grateful for that fact, you guys. Like, I can rely on these products to use next time because they do last during, stormy weather. Is because my face came out flawless. I made a video. I will add it at the end of this. Link it. It's a short clip showing how flawless the look was after the fact. So now you guys, I'm gonna go in and prime my lid using the same NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the same shade Caramel, and I'm going to use my Real Technique soft accent brush to blend it all out, you guys. Like I said, it's just a simple, clean, everyday makeup look. We're not using too much product, you know what I mean, or too much eyeshadow. We just want to look as natural as possible, you know what I mean, or natural with a little buzz, you know what I mean, because we need a little buzz, especially when we're in our 30 late years. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Big Mode mascara to prime my natural lashes for the falsies. And that way you guys, when you do this, you don't have to when you do this, you don't have to prime your falsies. You don't have to use a mascara to blend them in when you prime it before, because you know that when you put the mascara on your falsies, after a while then it becomes cakey and look crappy, you know what I mean. But when you do your actual lashes, then add the falsies, everything blends in and your falsies last way longer. So the lashes that I'm using today, guys, is the Kiss triple collection lashes. Is that what it's called? Let me see. Lash Couture triple push-up collection in the style Teddy. And now I'm priming my face using my e.l.f. Power Grip primer. It's like a dupe for the Hydro Grip, the Milk Hydro Grip. It's just way less cheaper than the Hydro Grip, guys. So if you want a dupe that does the exact same thing, just choose the Power Grip because it's way cheaper, way easier on the pockets. Now I'm going in with my Dior foundation in the shade 5N Neutral. And when I tell you guys, this foundation do just what it's supposed to. And I'm also using my Juvia's Place foundation brush to blend that all out. As you can see, I am not dragging the product on my skin, I'm just tippling it out. Now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Full Filter concealer. This is fresh on the market, pretty much fresh, you know what I mean. But honestly, guys, I've used the foundation and I love the foundation. But I tell you, like, I love the concealer. Like, I am in love with this. The shade that I'm using today is Peanut Butter, and like I said, you guys, it is worth the try. Now I'm going back in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Caramel, just to give my face a little more brightness. Not that it's needed, it's not needed, but I just did it for me. And I'm using my Real Technique soft accent brush to blend that out. And guys, it doesn't matter how it looks now, just trust the process because the ending is bomb.com. Yes. So yes, you guys, I'm just blending everything into one, blending it out, and then I'm going to add my blush right after this. So just watch me blend, guys. Now I'm using my matte lipstick as a blush, because you can use your liquid lipsticks as blush too, if that helps anyone. If you don't have blush and you have your lipstick, go ahead, use it. Improvise, you know. So you guys, I went in with my Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade 25 Heroin, and the brush that I use is my Juvia's Place J103 flat brush. Then I went over with my Real Technique soft accent brush just to blend everything into one. Now I am using a sponge from Shein, guys, and I'm using my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa to set my under eyes. As you can see, my lid is creasing a little bit, guys, but that's okay, because as soon as I put a little bit of shadow on, it will look okay after that, you guys. So I'm just pushing the product into the skin, because at the end of the day, we want to look flawless. We want everything to look seamless. Now I'm doing a little reverse contour right there. Trying to get everything snatched. That's the hardest part of my makeup, guys, between my brows, because you don't want to get your brows messed up, especially when your brows are looking good, you know what I mean. Now I'm going in with my Mocha Mami powder from Fenty Beauty, and the brush that I'm using is the Morphe Y1 brush. I am using that to contour my face. I'm just trying to add some color into my face, because at the end of the day, we don't want to be out here looking casket ready, so yes, I am just going in with that. Now I'm going back in with my Huda Beauty powder. That shade that I'm using is Cinnamon Bun, and I'm using that to set my all over face. So I'm just using the brush to brush it lightly into the skin, because like I said, we're not trying to be casket ready out here. Now I'm going in with my Nude by Nature pencil in the shade O2 Brown to line my waterline, and I'm going to use the same Mocha Mami and my NYX number 12 brush to blend out the product. We're blending the pencil out. So that's the look that we get. Now I'm blending some over top of my my lid, because we're going for a clean look, so we're not trying to get too much eyeshadow thing going on. Now I'm going to just go all the way down to my nose and try and snatch that nose. Some of us already have a straight nose. We don't need to, but why not? You still can. So that's what I'm doing pretty much now. I'm trying to snatch my nose, not soles today, just my nose, So I'm getting that all snatched up with that, and then I'm just going to go in with my lip gloss just to get my lips moisturized, and then I'm going to line them with my Huda Beauty lip contour pencil in the shade Very Berry. So I'm lining this pencil though, guys, like it's the bomb.com. Like y'all know I love the oat rich brown, but I haven't used the Very Berry yet. That's my first time using it, 2.0 Very Berry, and I loved it too because it blends out easily. It's very creamy, you guys, and I think it adds a little smell to it. It smells nice too, if I am not lying, so I'm blending that all out right there, adding a little more product, blending it out again. And you can use your fingers for this too, guys, to spread the product, Now I'm going to spray my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. That will melt everything into one. It will melt the powder, the liquid products, everything into one pretty much. Now I'm going in with my Morphe lip oil, and the shade that I'm using, or the whatever they call it, is a Fairy Tale. So I'm just using that to give my lips a buzz, you know. And now guys, that's the finished product. Simple, clean, and gorgeous. So I hope you guys love it because I enjoy making it. So I hope y'all enjoy the process. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all. God bless you. So here it is, you guys. After I got soaking wet, this is what the makeup looked like.